kept on coming down that day. They had to build an ark in the second grade, in a town so dry it cracked, and we held hands and we laughed. We never got another drop for 7 years, until that August night when the clouds appeared. We opened the windows and let it fall. Then you moved down to Arkansas. When the rains came, everything changed, and I just sat and watched it and wondered what had caused it. When the rains came, then came the longest drought I've ever known. The banks, they all dried up like every man I'd known. All the men that I'd been holding wouldn't put in a token. Then the hurricane was rolling towards our shores. The thunder cracked so loud and we heard the roar. So we boarded up the windows and went inside. We did the same thing every night. When the rains came, everything changed, and I just sat and watched it and wondered what had caused it. When the rains came, when the rains came, I don't think you know what you've done. You sent the rain that I waited for so long, so long. When the